Tesla's struggle, a journey through innovation, controversy, and market turmoil. Tesla, once the shining star of the electric vehicle (EV) industry, has now found itself in the midst of an unprecedented crisis. Over the past several months, the company has faced a steady decline in its stock price, culminating in a dramatic drop of 13 to 14% on March 10, marking another week of continuous losses. The news was hardly a surprise, as it came on the heels of Tesla's longest period of stock price declines in its 15-year history. Investors are beginning to question whether the electric car company's once bright future is now clouded by uncertainty and controversy. This decline began with the entry of Tesla's creator, Elon Musk, into the political spotlight. Musk's involvement in Donald Trump's administration, especially his role as an advisor to the president, has stirred significant concern. The billionaire, long known for his unconventional approach to business and public discourse, has been criticized for his outspoken views on social media and his apparent alignment with controversial political figures. The speculation surrounding Musk's political career and its potential impact on Tesla's future is causing major ripples in the financial world. At the opening of trading on March 10, Tesla's stock stood at around £207 per share, but by 17:30 Greenwich Mean Time, it had dropped to approximately £186, a steep decline for a company that only a few months ago seemed unstoppable. Back in mid-December 2024, Tesla shares were valued at £402 each, an impressive figure that seemed to reflect the optimism surrounding the company's potential to reshape the future of transportation. But since then, Tesla's stock price has plummeted by 42%, a staggering loss that many attribute to Musk's increasingly erratic behavior and his shifting focus from Tesla to his political endeavors. Tesla's stock decline is now part of a larger pattern. For over 7 weeks, the company has experienced a consistent slide in its stock value, coinciding directly with Musk's growing influence in Washington. While it's not unusual for political developments to affect stock prices, the depth and duration of this decline is unusual for a company as prominent as Tesla. In fact, the 42% drop since the beginning of 2025 marks the longest stretch of losses in Tesla's history. And as the stock continues to falter, many investors are left wondering if the company's heyday is truly over. Despite this downturn, there is still a silver lining for Tesla. Although the company is currently struggling, its market capitalization remains a sizable £585 billion, about 33% higher than it was at the same time last year. This figure demonstrates that, while Tesla is facing serious challenges, the company's long-term prospects are still very much alive in the eyes of some analysts. They argue that the electric car maker's cutting-edge technology and leadership in the EV space still hold great potential. In particular, Wedbush Securities has added Tesla to its best ideas list, a move that reflects optimism about the company's future prospects. Wedbush analysts believe that Musk's focus will return to Tesla in the second half of 2025. Providing a much-needed catalyst for the stock's recovery. Similarly, TD Cowen is predicting a new product cycle in the coming years that will reignite growth in Tesla's sales and demand. This optimism centers around Tesla's ability to innovate, as well as the promise of upcoming products that could help the company maintain its market leadership. However, there are several significant hurdles that Tesla must overcome. The company still relies heavily on the production of electric vehicles to drive its growth, but its stock valuation is increasingly based on hopes and promises, particularly surrounding autonomous vehicle technology. Elon Musk has long claimed that fully autonomous Teslas were just around the corner, with predictions dating back to 2016. Yet, despite repeated reassurances, the company has failed to deliver on this bold vision. Investors are growing weary of Musk's repeated promises, and the lack of progress in this area has created a sense of distrust among Tesla's once loyal fanbase. In addition to this technological challenge, Tesla faces increasing political and social pressure. Musk's public statements on social media, especially on Platform X, have alienated many in both the US and Europe. Anti-Musk sentiments have grown, and protests and acts of vandalism at Tesla plants have become more frequent. While these events may not have a direct impact on Tesla's day-to-day operations, they contribute to a growing sense of uncertainty around the company's brand and leadership. As Tesla's stock continues to slide, many are questioning whether Musk's controversial actions are doing more harm than good. The story of Tesla, once a beacon of innovation, is now in a period of intense scrutiny. While the company still leads the charge in electric vehicles and remains a major player in the automotive industry, its future is increasingly uncertain. Investors are torn between the hope that Tesla's technological advancements, particularly in autonomous vehicles, will come to fruition, and the fear that Musk's political and social entanglements will continue to drag the company down. Tesla's ability to weather this storm may depend not just on innovation, but on whether it can resolve the public perception issues that Musk's actions have caused. The company is at a crossroads, and the decisions made in the coming months, both in terms of product development and corporate leadership, will determine whether it can remain a major force in the EV market or whether its stock will continue to tumble. For now, the world watches closely, waiting to see if Tesla can once again rise to the occasion, or if the company's best days are behind it.